I've been asking myself the question of what's the point of just keep making these videos if there's no views, there's no interest. And I think the point is the few of you that watch the videos, that should be the point. Because it takes quite a bit of effort to actually create content. But it seems like recently you just don't get the views that you used to get. And it might be related to a new algorithm on YouTube. Who knows? But I say, well, even if it doesn't make any sense to keep making these videos, well, it would be probably, I don't know, like working alone or working alone with somebody, you, whoever is on that other side of the lens, um, you know, just sticking with you while you work. And this is precisely what I'm doing now. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna fabricate these brackets for my CNC project that I left for a couple of weeks, but I need to get back to it. So I'm making some brackets for the stepper motors to be mounted on the table there. Yeah, but it's kind of disappointing. Just keep grinding, try to just get some views, and it just doesn't happen, and it's kind of hard. I don't know if you're just a viewer or just a or a creator like I am, but it is hard to produce these videos because you have to like position the camera and then do the work and then edit and all that. And it's not easy. It just takes your time also. But uh, I guess it's the fun of it is doing that, because then you're just not alone. You're just showing it to you. They're on the other side of the camera. But it's kind of disappointing recently because of YouTube, how YouTube works nowadays. It's like you're ignored if you don't get certain amount of viewer retention, and then just do videos just go to the shelf and just get lost in it. Uh, but I guess it's not YouTube's problem; it's your own problem. Your lack of interest, or the lack of your ability to generate interest on whatever you're doing, is probably not interesting at all. So I shouldn't blame anybody else but myself on my shortcomings for being a creator. Anyway, I don't want to pay too much attention to that, because then I get discouraged and I don't want to do it anymore. So maybe I just should just keep making the videos, and maybe someday I'll get good enough for the videos to get actually released to more people and get the views that they deserve or don't deserve. Yeah, but I don't know if you guys, or you in particular, uh, are a content creator, or just a viewer. And if you're a viewer, thank you very much for being here with me. And if you're a content creator, I hope you're doing real good nowadays with YouTube too. Anyway, let me just keep on and doing this work. I have to drill some holes here, and I think I need to set up this Smithy drill press here to be able to do that. I got a mess here as everything is on the way, but nevertheless I have to keep doing it. Let me get the wrench. Yeah, I had to keep doing this thing. All right. Yeah, it is hard to work when you don't have the room. This thing is in the way. I can get rid of it, but I think I can manage here. Okay, so now I need to change this for a drill bit. It's just a pass-through hole here, so it doesn't have to be uh, exact. Okay, I think I got it. Let me see if it works. Yep, just have to bolt it to the plate here, and then it'll be ready to be assembled onto the table. So yes, this is what's happening with the new stuff on YouTube. I haven't gotten any subscribers in about 5 days, not a single subscriber. While before I was getting like 1 or 2 subscribers a day. Nowadays something happened that is just paralyzed. And maybe it's got to do something with the AI part of the YouTube implementation. Who knows? It's, um, it's frustrating, but nothing I can do about it, but just keep doing what I'm doing until I cannot do it anymore. But well, meanwhile, thank you very much for being here with me, and I hope you're doing real good. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.